Hey there, here's a quick video on how to access feedback on a Canvas quiz. So you can go into your Grades tab. You can scroll down and find the quiz that you're interested in. It looks like on this quiz, I got a 10 out of 12. I can click on this quiz. I can not only view the score from this attempt, but I could view my final score. So you might notice that my final score is a 10 out of 12, but on this attempt, I got a 4.7 out of 12. So it looks like I was allowed multiple attempts on this particular quiz. On this attempt that I got 4.75 out of 12, I can scroll through and I can see what I answered and what the correct answer is, if that option is available to you. I could also see any comments that my instructor might have made to me on this quiz. Now, if I want to look into more detail about my other attempts and maybe the attempt that I got my best score on, the 10 out of 12, I can go back into quizzes, I can select that quiz, and you can see all of the different attempts that I've taken. You can see how long it took me in each quiz and the score that I received on each attempt. It looks like for this quiz, I have unlimited attempts, and I'm going to keep the highest of all of my scores. If I want to go back and review each attempt, I can simply click on any of these. So let's look at my best attempt, my 10 out of 12. I can scroll down to each question. I can see what answer I put and the correct answers for each question on the quiz. Hopefully that helps.